Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore, aka Robert, with a another unboxing video. I went and picked up some more of these. I probably shouldn't have, but they are doing the deal. Buy two, get one for 75% off, so I bought two and got that one for like $2 and something. My straw's in the way. But anyways, we're going to bust in one of these because I already had the green one. So we'll bust into the pink and purple one first. See what we got. I know people already probably seen these videos, but let's see what I got. So first we got, I'm already okay with that, vinyl figure of Kingdom Hearts. What's this? A Webby DuckTales keychain figure. A pop pen of Chewie. Cool. I'm okay with that so far. A pint-sized Heroes Disney. We'll have to definitely bust into these here in a second. And my pop figure is the one you see everywhere. The Monsters Inc. Goofy. I swear every store I go to at least has one of those. So there's that. Let's get into these little... Let's do the pint-sized heroes. Let's see who do I want out of this one. That Mike Wazowski would be pretty cool. Or maybe Wally. Sorry for the... I can't really get the... without that stupid glare from my camera. But anyways, let's see what I got. I got the alligator from Peter Pan. Still pretty cool though. Alligator from Peter Pan. And then my vinyl figure, it just says 1 in 12 for any of them. Wait a second here. Check this out. 1 and 2. There's 2 bags instead of 1. Maybe I got Chip and Dale. Because, look. See how there's 2? Maybe my camera needs to focus. I don't know what's going on here. Sorry about that. I don't know why it's not focusing. But anyway, Chip and Dale there. I'm assuming that's why I got 2. Like I said. I'm assuming it's Chip and Dale, so I got 2. Chip and Dale. One don't want to stand. There he goes. Chip and Dale. I'm okay with that when you get 2. So there's that box. Where's the pop figure? We'll pop this stuff back in the box and we'll open the next one. Let's put all these in this little box here. Wait, I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh. Come on, man. Box number 1. Sorry this is taking so long. Box number 2. I'm going to cut that box number 3 too so it'll be ready. Hopefully that cut. I'm pretty sure it cut. We'll find out when we get to it. This is the one that should be Five Nights at Freddy again. Which it is. I got another mystery plush. The same one I got last time. Five Nights at Freddy lanyard again. Same one I got last time. And then Pen of Bonnie again. So far it's exactly the same I got last time. There's the pint-sized heroes. But I got Baby last time for this. And I got, what's her name? Ballora. So let's see what's in these. Pint-sized heroes I got. I don't know what his name is. Do you know what his name is? If I didn't say what his name is, I got this baby. Or, no, it's whatever that robot thing is right there. With his face half opened. And then let's do the plushie. Who's that? 1 and 9 to get a... Whatever this, what is this? Fox? No. Whatever the white one's name is. So there's that. So let's get this in the box. I seriously think, like everybody else is saying, that these are to get rid of the stuff they can't give away, more or less. To get rid of the stuff they have extra. Because there's no way they could... No way they could put anything really good in these boxes.
Like a chase?
Yeah, like a chase or anything. Yeah, they couldn't do that. So here's the third and final box.
It'd be weird if there was a chase in here.
Which I also got. The mystery. Another pint-sized heroes. Another Webby, which... And Chewy again. But I did get Donald Duck. So now I need... Who do I need from the Monster Inc? Just Sora, I guess it is. I don't know. Oh, he's broken. His leg is bouncing around in the box, but I might be able to fix it. But I got a broken Donald Duck. Damn it. Let's see what I got in the pint-sized hero. Donald Duck. That's not too bad, I guess. Better than, well, I don't know. I kind of like the alligator. But I got a broken freaking pop figure, so that already sucks. That sucks. Broken. Well, this one only has one bag this time, but it feels really big. And I got Goofy. So there's that, I guess. But it still doesn't help for the stupid broken pop figure. I don't know if y'all can tell. But he's missing. It's really hard to see, but his legs... There he goes. His legs moving around in there. I might be able to fix it, but to me that sucks. But anyways, I took enough of your guys' time. So that's what I got. Bunch of trash. But thanks for watching. Bye!